Hope you all are doing good. Today we'll be talking about pudina or mint and how we can propagate it via its stem. Pudina is edible. In my home, my mom used pudina for pani puri ka pani or pudine ki chutney. It is variously used in smoothies or salads. Also, the dry leaves are used in lot of curries. So we usually can pluck the leaves in this way, and once it is dry we can powder it and we can keep it in an airtight box and use this in lot of curries. So yeah, let's see how we can cut the stem and then propagate it either in water or in soil. So I had done this water propagation 1 week back. So here is the result. There are few stems which have propagated already, but few, this is the condition of it. So here are the few. You guys can see, there are small leaves coming up. So I'll be putting these today in soil and we'll see how we can cut new stems and put it in water and propagate it. So I have two plants here. One is this one and the other one is this one. So we'll take cuttings from the smaller one. So for a closer look, this is how it is, right? And we need to select the thicker stems. So this is the thicker one. So I'll just snip this here. Okay, so there are a lot of leaves, so I will not waste these one. So I'll put it in here so that it will dry in like few days. We need only these many leaves, right? So I'll keep this one here. Then I have another this one. So I'll take this as well. Take a good snip. From this one I think we can take 2 cuttings. These leaves I don't need. Yeah, I have 3 and now let me take one more. I'll take a cutting from here. Okay, yeah. So this one is also having a lot of leaves. Okay, now we'll see the node. So wherever the leaf starts or the next stem starts, that is a node. So this is a node, here is the node, and this 2 are the nodes, right? So we have to give it a good snip below the node. So now I have 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. One more thing, we have to make sure that we put this either in soil or water in bottom down position, right? If you put it upside down, it won't grow and it will die. Okay, for this one, simply we can put this in water and keep it in shaded area for like a week, and then we can put that in soil. So now I had put this in water. I have these many stems here. So simply I have to loosen this soil. Okay, one more thing before this. Here I can see a very thick stem. If you guys see this and you want to snip this as well, you can do, but I will like to keep it as it is. Okay, so I have this one. I'll put a little bit of water. And simply these will go in. Okay. The good ones will put, and the other had already dried up, so we don't need that. Yes. So these will also start developing its root in like 1 more week. So we have to keep this as well in shaded area. So for this one, we have 4 stems here. So I have put this in water. So yeah, I will keep both of these in shaded area, right? So yes, this would be it for today's video, guys. Hope to see you soon. Thank you for subscribing and liking. It really means a lot. Take care, be healthy.